People are buying this viral flying dog windmill, but is it actually worth it or just another online trap? So this is the Hapeaster Sky Dreamer, a garden windmill featuring a cartoon-style pilot dog flying a mini plane. It's designed to spin with the wind and add a cute aesthetic to your yard. And honestly, it does look cool. According to the website, it's made of heavy-duty steel with anti-rust coating, so it should handle sun and rain pretty well. They also claim it spins smoothly even with light wind and works as a unique garden centerpiece. But here's where things get serious. The website selling it is very new, created in 2026, which is already a red flag. Even worse, it has a very low trust score, around 18 out of 100, and is flagged as suspicious by scam checking platforms. Another warning, there are no reliable external reviews, only testimonials on their own site, which can be fake. Yes, it has SSL security, but even scam sites have that nowadays. So what you're really buying here is uncertainty. So, is the Sky Dreamer legit? Maybe. But is it safe to trust? Not really. If you still want it, use PayPal, avoid big orders, and be careful. Follow for more real reviews before you waste your money.